The continuation of our reporting. From the previous topic, ang diniscuss namin is about the inverse function. So, ito na kung paano makukuha or the differentiation of inverse function. So, here's an example. Find the dy over dx if x is equals to 4y squared minus 6y plus 3. So, i-derive lang natin siya, yung 4y squared magiging 8y because 2 times 4 is equals to 8 and 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So, 8y and yung 6y magiging 6. Kung ang hinahanap is dx over dy, yan ang magiging sagot. Pero, the problem is find the dy over dx. So, mag-add lang tayo ng 1 sa taas and then yung dx ilalagay sa baba. So, 1 over 8y minus 6 is our dy over dx.
Another example. Find dy over dx if x equals 8y squared plus 3y minus 3. Derive, so magiging 16x plus 3. Then next, ang hinahanap ay dy, kaya magiging 1 over 16x plus 3.
After natin makuha yung sagot, yung answer natin, pwede natin ma-simplify by getting the lowest term ng 2 ng numeration natin. So 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. And then 2 over 6y is 3y. After nun, hindi na natin maglalagay ng 1 dito. Ito magiging 1 siya. Pero hindi na tayo naglagay dito because considered as 1 na ito. So, i-rewrite na lang natin. So, this is our final answer.
Now, let us find the derivative of y over the derivative of x if x is equal to square root of 3y squared minus y. Let us find derivative of x over the derivative of y equals 1 over 2 square root of y 3y squared minus 2y times the derivative of u or derivative of 3y squared minus 2y.
At gaya ng sinabi ni James, gumamit tayo ng square root rule para makuha ito. And then, after nun, ibababa lang natin ang fraction na to. Next step, kukunin natin ang derivative of 3y squared negative 2y. Derivative of 3y squared is equal to 6y. And then, derivative of 2y is 2, negative 2. After nun, so ang sabi ng problem, hinanap natin ang dy over dx. So, ang gagawin lang natin, babalik natin ang nakuha natin sagot.
So let us find dy over dx if x is equal to 2 over 1 minus 3 y squared raised to 5. So, ang first step muna natin is gawing whole number ang 2 kasi wala naman tayong na-encounter na value greater than 1 when it comes sa numerator ng inverse. So, magiging 2 times 1 over 1 minus 3 y squared raised to 5. Then, gamitin natin yung reciprocal power rule formula, which is d over dx equals 1 over u raised to n equals negative n u over u raised to n plus 1 times du over dx. So, i-substitute lang natin yung mga given. So, dx over dy equals 2 times negative 3 over 1 minus 3y squared raised to 5 plus 1 times d open parenthesis 1 minus 3y squared close parenthesis over dx. So, ang next na gagawin is kailangan natin kunin yung derivative ng 1 minus 3y squared. So, magiging dx over dy equals 2 times negative 3 over 1 minus 3y squared raised to 6 minus 6y. So, kailangan lang natin ipag-times lahat ng numerator. So, 2 times negative 3 times 6y equals 36y over 1 minus 3y squared raised to 6. So, ang hinahanap is dy over dx. So, papagbalik rin lang natin yung values para makuha. So, magiging 1 minus 3y squared raised to 6 over 36y